Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with an unboxing video from Tracy's Destash on Facebook. You know, these Destash groups are some of my favorite places to shop because they have stuff you don't see in bead stores or online anywhere else for the same prices or at all, because sometimes they come out of people's hoards. So, yeah, let's get started. I love shopping with Tracy. She's literally the sweetest person on the planet, and she's just so nice. And she's got some cool stuff. So let's take a look at what's going on. Ooh, there's lots of yummies in here. I don't remember a lot of this stuff. Because, I mean, when you're shopping Destash groups, sometimes it takes like 3 weeks to check out or something. So sometimes I don't really remember what I claimed. So this looks like it was a freebie. Looks like it's like a rosary, I think. Yeah, it is. And this is acrylic chain, but acrylic bead chain, but that's cool because I can, if I don't want to use it as a rosary, I can just, you know, use the chain for something. That's kind of cool. I like that. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, some evil eye links, although these look almost like, you know, like some cartoons have that pinprick evil or eyeball, pupil. Gosh, I can speak English today. These are kind of cool. I love that they're hot pink. Love, love, love that. And they were 30 cents each. That's too cute. Those are too cute. Those are going to get used in my bracelet challenge at some point this month. We have some metal fish that are just so ugly. They're cute. Love those. Those look like those fish in the deep sea that nobody gets to see, that, you know, have like the lights, they use their own, they're like is it phosphorus? I can't remember. Phosphorescent? I don't know the word. I'll look it up eventually. But anyway, they have their own light to attract prey. But anyway, they're so cool. I get off topic. So these are charms, not beads. Okay. But I love them a lot. I got some baskets. I don't know if these are like vintage. I think they are. Oh yeah, they're little wine cheese baskets. I love them. I used to make a lot of wine bracelets. Like lots. People loved those things. Oh, Halloween was yesterday, but that's okay. We've got a little, I'm not going to open it because it's sealed here, but we've got a little bat. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Cabochon. So neat. I've got some vintage. You know, I don't know if these are check or not. They're little dice. They're going to go in with my check glass for sure, though. Oh, they're so cool. Who knows what the heck I'm going to do with them, but I do like playing games that include dice. Like, I love card games, love board games, so I think those are pretty cool. Not that I have to have, like, a game theme. Just saying. Let's see what these are. What is this? This is so cool. It's a connector. Okay, like a vintage pewter connector. Neat. Love those. Oh, we've got 2 skeleton hands. And it's my own fault that I got here after Halloween because I was like, no, I'll keep shopping. And then I was like, okay, let's check out. But it's okay. I didn't get to make nearly as much Halloween jewelry as I wanted to. Like, I had a list of things that I wanted to do. So I'll either do it or it'll just get tacked on to next year when there are all new bead mixes coming out. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we got the same evil eyes in red. I'm not going to take them out for right now. And blue. Love those. Love them. I got some big acrylic pendants. I had no business buying these because, and I'll tell you why, I have boxes of stuff that looks like this, but I don't have these two. And the thing is, I can use these to create a mold for polymer clay. Because eventually I want to do more with polymer clay. It's just right now I'm on a hiatus. But these are gorgeous. I used to have little minis of these and sold so many earrings made out of these little guys. Like hundreds and hundreds of pairs of earrings made out of little flowers like that. These are gorgeous. I love them. I will be making molds of them before I use them on any kind of jewelry though. I got a really cool like buckle. Love it. I'm probably going to patina this. Look at that. That is so cool. It's a swirl cactus with stampings. Can make a really cool like bolo necklace or something. I don't even remember grabbing these, but I'm so glad I did. A while back, Anna sent me some vintage beads that kind of look like this. Oh, one is fluted, or not fluted, coriated, and one is not. Oh, we've got some lint in that one, but they're so cool. These are so vintage. They make me so happy. The ones I got from Anna are like birthday cake theme, like white and sprinkles, and I think orange maybe. So these are going to go into the bead collection for now. I'm not going to use those. Oh, some more Evil Eye stuff. Yay. Teeny tiny links. They're so cute. Perfect for earrings. So cute. And then, oh, I got some Hamsas with Evil Eyes in them. She had a lot of good stuff. Tracy always has a lot of good stuff, not even just this time around. Every time I get stuff from Tracy, I am blown away. I love shopping with her. These are super, super duper cute. I mean, I guess I could go like over the top Hamsa and like hang one of these from here. But I probably won't. These are super cute. Okay, and then I got the Evil Eyes in black. And then, oh, I don't remember getting all these, which is awesome. I just love them. I got them in blue and green too. And if you're not into Evil Eyes, they could just be polka dots. Like, they don't have to be Evil Eye, that's for sure. Oh, I got another one of these in case I wanted to create earrings. I think that's what that was. Oh, these I love. That Mystic, like oil slick vitriol color table cut glass. These almost, I think these are vintage. Very cool. Oh, gosh, I just love shopping with Tracy. Any of the Facebook groups, I just love them. Oh, these are cool skulls too. I gotta reorganize all of my Halloween stuff. Right now it's just all in a big bag, and I expanded my Halloween collection this year a lot, so it's all gotta get reorganized. Look at those. Those are so cool. So cool. Love those. They were 50 cents each. Oh, this was a mother of pearl strand. I think I got two. Yeah, I did. I think they were vintage, and they were $2 each. Love those. Love those. Oh, and they were marked down from 4. That's great. I have so much shell, and I have so many ideas for them. I need like 6 more vacations at least to get started on the list of things that I want to do just for jewelry making. Fortunately, I have some more time off, but we're going to be using that towards the holidays, and I had to go back to work today. It was depressing. All right, so we have 2 more hands. These are different than the other hands. Where did I put them? Okay, so these I have from Jesse James Beads, but I wanted more. And then we have this one, which I can actually look. This one has a little skull ring on it. That's cool. Didn't even notice that. And then I could put a rhinestone in that too. I never do that, but I would love to. I've got like some faux ancient coin. Which I think it is vintage. It's just not an actual like real coin. It's awesome. I love it. Oh, these are some dichroic glass beads. Gosh, those are like when I bought them, I was super excited because the picture was gorgeous, but when in person, these are stunning. These are stunning. I love, love, love them. And I've got the Sharpie marker on my hands. Oh, yeah, another set of hands. These were 40 cents each. Let's see what they are. Oh, they're like zombie claws or something. Those are cool. You could put a rhinestone there too if you wanted to. I probably wouldn't, but I could patina these to make them a little bit more old looking. And then I don't remember getting these at all. But they're sliders. That's so cute. Thank you, Past Brittany, for binning these. I didn't. Oh, they're so cute. I love them. I love them. You know, I don't really use two-hole stuff or sliders that much, but these are super cute. I need to do something with my bracelet challenge. I have so many. I've made lots of two-hole bracelets in the past, but sometimes two-strand bracelets don't look right on my wrists. So I got some of these. I think they're batik bone with metal. She had them for the cheapest I've seen them around. They're so cool. I love them. These are gorgeous. These are going to be hoarded for a little while. Those have to go on a really special project. And a glass mix. Oh my gosh. I didn't know I got one of these. I didn't know I got my hands on one of these. Oh my gosh, look at that big guy. He is amazing. These are African recycled glass. Look at this one. I'm whispering because I'm so happy. Wow, look at that. I don't know if that's African, but it's gorgeous. It's got kind of like almost like a chatoyancy, like almost like cat's eye, but it's not as glowy as cat's eye. And then these two guys. Oh gosh, I love that mix. This mix like made my day. Everything in here is making my day. Tracy, you are awesome. And then some Peruvian ceramic beads, which are just stunning. Love, love, love those. Oh my goodness. I've got a small collection of these going on because they're expensive and they're hard to find sometimes. So I try and grab just a few when I can. But oh my gosh, it's so hard to say what my favorites are. This mix right here, specifically this guy. These beads. The Peruvian ceramic. Oh gosh, everything's so cute. My little fishies. And all the evil eye stuff and everything else. And then these guys, because these are going in the hoard for a while. So yeah. Oh my gosh, I am so pleased with everything. It makes me so happy. It makes me so happy. And I want to make something with them, but I don't know what to make. I already made today's bracelet. Maybe I can make tomorrow's bracelet. Let's see. No, I can't. I'm going to save those. I can't. I think I've made my, my bracelet already today. So my creative juices are not flowing at the moment. So I'm going to clean this up. I just want to say thank you to Tracy. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. You can check out Tracy's group. I'll leave a link in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions. Tell me what your favorite was, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay tuned for Goldie. Bye-bye. Hi, Schnuckums. I'm taking your afternoon siesta. You silly Goldie. You're so silly. Hi, cutie. Those cute little teeth. Aw, hi, baby.